Hi. Hi.
We have one very happy little lady that is surrounded by water everywhere.
We got here yesterday, we just missed the rain on the boat, and then a big storm hit, so it's been raining all last night. It's finally stopped this morning. We were meant to have shot a scene this morning because we're here for a really good project for this first week or so.
It was a big storm last night, and it didn't help that, well, it's not surprising, but Mila's obviously jet lagged, as are we, so she took a little while to get to sleep last night. So I'm just going to try and hopefully get her straight back into her routine and just try and stick to her nap times and sleep times, and hopefully in a day or two we'll be back.
Take my eye off you, can't take my eye off you. Dim guy.
Can we go in the house to get changed? Is that allowed? Oh, okay.
Milk is always needed throughout the day, so we always tend to bring it back when we're at breakfast.
Shoot's been postponed. We set our alarm for 6:30 this morning because we were due to shoot at 7:30, but when you woke up, River woke up at that time, it was still raining. So it's been postponed, but hopefully the guys who are running the shoot have just told us that they've got a new app that all the Maldivian guys use for the weather, and tomorrow is set to be sunny, so fingers crossed that tomorrow we can power through all the shooting. But it means that we get a day to ourselves today, and we've got some work to catch up on and play with Mila, so all good.
Shall we go swimming? Shall we go swimming? Swim, 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 swim! Swimming got cut short. Mila's just come up with a rash. She's come up with a rash on both her arms, so we're just going to quickly take her to the medical centre and see if they can take a look and tell us what it is.
Just a bit of redness and patchy, blotchy. Doesn't seem to be bothering her, which is good. It's not blistered, which we've quickly had a little Google, which you do as a mum or as anyone. But yeah, there is a clinic here, so we may as well just go and double check, make sure there's nothing to worry about. And here's the buggy now.
Morning.
Hi. It says it's just like a calming wash if you get a skin irritation from sun or heat or pollution, so hopefully it'll just kind of neutralise. You can see, and we'll go from there. They just said if it gets worse or it spreads to go back, but they're not concerned, so hopefully it's all fine. Do some Mila cheering up. We'll take her, she can have a play on the slide. She thinks we've been really bad parents and scared her.
You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread.
I am going to head back and crack on with some work. While Corin's got Mila. Yeah, let's get some work done. I think one of the best things about traveling as well is that you're never in the same work space, work office every day. Like, I mean, you may be in the same space for a few days, but I mean, look at this, look where I'm editing this video right now that you're going to be watching.
Like cocoa bread.
She's asleep.
So while she's asleep, we're going to tell you exactly why we're in the Maldives and how we've been able to stay here for just under a month.
So what are we doing in the Maldives?
Well, we got contacted by a fellow creator and his team about featuring in a rebrand for this resort. That would include like photo shoots and video shoots, and of course they probably only contacted us because of Mila.
Yeah.
So we thought, why not make the most of it and say yes and come to the Maldives.
Yeah, we've been fortunate enough to be in the Maldives twice before, but this is our first time with Mila. And because of that, we knew that you could get a visa on arrival for 30 days. So we thought, because as well the flight is quite long, we had to get a 6-hour flight to Doha and then a 4-hour flight from Doha down to Malé. It's quite far, even for an adult, but obviously for Mila, we wanted to be here longer than just over a week, which is what the promo video shoot is. So we've extended our stay and we're here for the whole 29 days.
So how have we planned our stay in the Maldives for just under a month? We're going to talk you through it right now. Wouldn't be the Maldives without a bit of rain. So because it has been raining on and off pretty much since we've got here, we've decided to just
embrace it.
Embrace it.
Why not? I've got an umbrella, I'm alright. So cool, like actual outdoor gym. It's got wooden weights and everything made out of wood and rope and everything. Like, this would be such a cool spot if the weather was good. So one of the first reasons we've decided to extend our stay for a month here in the Maldives is because on arrival, you can get visa on arrival for 30 days.
It's a long haul flight for anyone from the UK, let alone with a toddler. So we thought, why not make the most of it and stay here for the maximum amount of time we can.
We've maintained really good relations with a lot of the hotels here in the Maldives that we've worked with before, and this time we're coming at them with a different angle, coming with a baby, travelling as a family.
And that way we're showing you a number of resorts that you two as a family can travel to.
As we were initially coming out to the Maldives as part of a job with expenses covered, including our flights, it made no difference for the client who's buying the flights to book the return flight straight after the job or at a later date, which we preferred. Hence why we've extended the trip and asked them to book the flight at the end of the month.
That is our day over for today, but before it does end, we've got one last thing to go and see, and I think Mila is going to love it.
We've come to see the sharks. Every night they feed the sharks at 7 o'clock up at one of the parts of the island. We're going to see, we're going to see the shark. Sharks.
Okay, someone's getting tired. That concludes today. If you made it this far again, please subscribe, like,